orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet too. A rainbow arches in the sky, a colorful sight, oh so true. Red like the roses blooming bright, orange like the sun's warm light, yellow like the fields of wheat, green like the forest, oh so neat, blue like the ocean deep and vast, indigo like the twilight's last, violet the flowers in a field, each hue a treasure so revealed, with colors bright and colors bold, nature's palette a sight to behold. Let's celebrate this vibrant show as the colors of the rainbow glow.
Subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye. See you later.